Hello and welcome to this week's Vaticano Updates, the most important news from the Holy Father and the Vatican. In his Angelus address, Pope Francis announced that an ecumenical prayer vigil will take place in St. Peter's Square as part of the Church's ongoing Synod on Synodality. The ecumenical prayer vigil, organized by the Taizé Community, will entrust to God the work of the 16th Ordinary General Assembly of the Synod of Bishops. This Synod of Bishops is set to take place in two sessions from October 4th to the 29th of 2023 and in October of 2024. The Holy Father told American seminarians in Rome that they are called to take up the challenge and task of the synodal journey of listening to the Holy Spirit and to one another. As they study to become priests, the Pope met with students, staff, and faculty of the Pontifical North American College at the Vatican. Now, Francis said, "This is also the challenge and task you are called to take up as you walk together along the path that leads to priestly ordination and pastoral service." Pope Francis met Giorgia Meloni, Italy's first female prime minister, at the Vatican. The private meeting, which lasted a little over 30 minutes, Meloni was among the first to pay her respects to the Pope Benedict XVI in St. Peter's Basilica on January 2nd, together with Italy's President Sergio Mattarella. At the papal audience, Meloni introduced her team to Pope Francis along with her 6-year-old daughter, who also took part in the meeting. The Vatican promoter of justice announced that the investigation into the vanishing of Emanuela Orlandi will be reopened. Orlandi is a teenaged Vatican citizen who disappeared in the 1980s and has since spawned a myriad of conspiracy theories. In a brief statement, the Holy See Press Office reported that the decision to reopen the investigation was made partly in response to several requests made by Orlandi's family. In a message published ahead of the World Day of the Sick, Pope Francis said that sickness and vulnerability is scary because it is a threat to the culture of efficiency. The pontiff said, "The plight of the sick is a call that cuts through indifference and slows the pace of those who go on their way as if they had no sisters and brothers." The Catholic Church will mark the 31st Annual World Day of the Sick on February 11th, the feast of Our Lady of Lourdes. Thank you for watching this week's Vaticano Updates. My name is Benjamin Crockett for EWTN Vaticano.